Hi everyone, welcome back to 60 new Einsetzen and Ansetzen exercises. Here is your exercise for day 22. So this is a soft arpeggio pattern, starting on the second available harmonic, raising by 2, coming back down. Let's go through that twice and then end on the double pedal tone. The purpose of this is very similar to 2 exercises ago when I was talking about note production. I believe that this is something that is of utmost importance when playing a brass instrument. When we start out learning the TCE, it's very important to use lots of strong, hammered, repeated articulations in order to build up strength in the tongue. As you develop the ability to maintain the tongue in the forward position, between the teeth, anchored to both lips, only then can you really master playing softly with these soft attacks. Which is what we're really working through today. So. Notice how there's no break in the sound as I gliss down from the Ansetzen to Einsetzen. Thanks for watching.